Good day everyone, still Drone PH. We have here another day, another review. So this is the Pabo 20 Pro, the version 2 from Beta FPV. So pretty nice and pretty good about the LED light. We will fly at the end of the video with Oppo Light and Oppo Pro. So let's see what inside the box. Inside the box, we have here the Oppo Pro canopy for the drone. And we have here also the Oppo Light, okay, to fit on your Pabo 20 Pro, the version 2. So we will fly at the end. So let's see more. So of course we have here the drone. Without the Oppo Pro, I buy 8 separate. And some accessories guys. We have here those propeller, the LED light, night fire. So some damping balls and screw to fit your Oppo light on the Oppo light canopy. So that's the good thing that they made. They upgraded both Oppo Pro and Oppo Lite, okay? So screwdrivers and type L. So this is the drone itself. So this is fit for the Oppo Pro, and you can use also the Oppo Lite with this version, okay? So that's pretty nice that they do. No need to buy the CNC for Oppo Lite. Okay, so we will install the Oppo Pro guys and we will check it. Okay, so it's already set guys, our Oppo Pro. I did not show because a lot of time consumed, but I have a lot of tutorial in my videos. Just check it out. So this almost the same guys with the first version, okay, the Oppo Pro. That's they added only the LED module at the back. And can it be support with the Oppo Pro version or in the Oppo Lite version? Okay, so that's the big one thing that they made. But in this test, I will try the Flywo wide lens, guys. The 155 FOB. Okay, so I got already installed. So I think this is the better option for the wide lens. Okay, no need to buy additional CNC. Just get the Flywo wide lens or a normal Oppo light, okay? So we'll fly at the end. I have some receipt about the information about these drones because they support the Oppo Pro and Oppo Lite version, okay? So they thinking about the light is more light for this drone. But watch until then guys, I'm using only the one rates, the same rates and the stock rates. I did not change and it's fly amazing guys and pretty fine with the Oppo Pro and Oppo Lite. So no need to change for me. But if you want better, you can modify your rates guys. The only solution that I made with the Oppo Lite because it's light for the Oppo Pro version 2, I use the heavier battery like 720 or the 680. So good one thing that Beta FPV made the version 2 of the Lava battery, the 680 and 580. So you can get that. I will put in the description also. So I'll gonna show you a little bit. Okay, so this is the new battery guys, the Lava version 2, the 3S. So this is the 580 and 680. So you can use the 680 guys if you're flying the overlight. And it's pretty fine, no need to modify your rate guys, I tell you. So this is the types, we will see what inside. So this is the types of battery that Beta FPV made for the version 2 Lava battery 3S. I fly more than 7 minutes with the simple cruising with the 680 milliamps and less for the 580, the same Oppo Pro and Oppo Lite guys. So that's pretty good. I love the 7 flight time, 7 minutes with those battery. 680 is longer than the 580 milliamps but it's fit for the Pabo 20 Pro and it's better with the GNB battery guys with the 720. I try and the 720 is fly about almost 5 minutes only guys. But the 680 is flight about 7 minutes guys. So that's pretty good and pretty nice. So we'll try to fit guys. I will show you. So that if you want to get these types of battery, I will put also in the description below with the Beta FPV store. So just check their website, guys, and you can get your own and check this. Inside is pretty nice and it's fine, no problem about it. Okay, so it's still, guys, about sub 250. So I will put in the description the weight of this drone, okay, with the 680 battery and 580. Okay, so that's only. So we'll test, guys, the LED light. If how bright it is with the Nightfire LED light, okay, for the Pavo 20 Pro, the version 2. Okay, so that's it. Okay, so this is the type of LED light, guys. Pretty bright, super bright. The good one thing with this, you can modify it with any types of light, like red. We have also those yellow. We have also the blue one. Okay, so you can control it, guys, at the back on the module. So no need to switch for your remote controller, guys. You can use at the back. You can switch also for off and on, okay? So you can use also the mode to change the mode, guys. That's pretty nice that they made. I love it. See? Cool. So that's the big improvement, guys, with this drone. Both support Oppo Pro and Oppo Lite and the colorful LED light. No need to change anytime. Okay, so that's only. So we'll fly, guys, at the end of the video to see if how fly it is. The new Pavo 20 Pro, the version 2, guys. Okay, so that's only. We'll fly and let's go outside. Okay, so finally, we are here to test the Oppo Pro version with the Pavo 20 Pro, the version 2, guys. I will fly a little bit on the angle mode or acro mode, okay? So let's go and test if how fly this is small little guy, okay? From Beta FPV, so we are using the 680 milliamps. Let's go. Wow, this is very fast. Oh. It's so fast. Oh, this is fast than the original Pavo, the Oppo. Little small punch, but see? It's very active and accurate. It's vibration before on the 4K. It's little bit better in here. Okay. Still Oppo Pro is the best. Small punch. It's little bit powerful, I think. Little bit powerful than this, the other one. Roll. Nice. The tuning is good for me. Exactly. Forward tuning is good. I heard about the negative comment with this Nightfire edition. But it's fine for me, guys. See? Oh, very smooth. Very good. I'm not an expert yet, but what do you want more with this? See? Hands. Oh, so powerful. I heard the sound at almost 300 meters. See? It's good also for cinematic. Oppo Pro is still the best, guys. So what do you want more with this? I think it's fine. Okay. I have more 45. Still fly good. I'll try. Up, 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 up. The tuning is great. Pro. Do you want more? Okay. Very active and accurate with my ELRS radio packet. I have still 60 Mbps. Okay. As you see, it's still fine. 60 Mbps. A lot of wire in here. Oop. What more do you want? The Oppo Pro Abo 20 Pro is the number one. Very nice speed tuning. I love it. Super fast. Very accurate. See? Very nice speed tuning, guys. No need to change for me. See? Oppo Pro number one. Abo 20 Pro with great combination. Okay, so we're at 6 minutes with our battery. Oh. Still good and better. Better. How? Almost 7 minutes flight time with the battery. Oh. Woohoo. So we will push 7 minutes with this battery, guys. Okay, so we got 7 minutes, guys, with the Oppo Pro version, and now we will try the Oppo Lite version in different place. Okay, so we'll try in this place with the 680 milliamps. So let's go and test this Oppo Lite version, the Flywo wide lens, the 155 FOV, the version 2. Okay, so let's get it on and test it. Let's go. Okay, so that's the end of our test, guys. So I love what they did on the Pavo 20 Pro, the version 2. Congrats sa Beta FPV. I love both support the Oppo Lite and Oppo Pro version. So that's only, I don't see any issues with this. Just fly with the higher battery for the Oppo Lite, okay? So if you want to get this Pavo 20 Pro the version 2, just check the description below. And get your own, including the Lava battery the version 2. So that's only. Till next time, see you and happy flying!
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Gotta catch another fight. Yeah. The apple bottom make 'em wanna bite. Yeah. I just wanna have a good night.